Hello, I'm going to be discussing the assignment that was given to us by our instructor, Mr. Emmanuel Blama. We have to do chapter 3, chapter 4, and chapter 6 of our note. So first I will start with chapter 3, how to do a business function and supply chain. So when we're discussing about business function, we're discussing about what keep the business moving actively, and the supply chain aspect have to do with the transformation of raw materials to finished goods that's going to be delivered to consumers. So we'll be discussing about the business function and supply chain. We'll be discussing about the business effectiveness and efficiency. How effective will the business be? And also the accountability in the business, how to do with the keeping of records in business, because those are one of the things you should really prioritize in business. And the financial aspect, you have to do with the cash management. How well you manage your cash in your business, it can help you a lot in business. So when I move to chapter 4, we have to do with business hardware and software. So discussing business hardware, we're going to be listing some key hardware components of a computer and also their function. So when we're going to start with the input device. The input device have to do with the receiving of signals from the computer and transferring them outside of the computer. That's the work of the input device. And also we have the central processing unit. So now we'll be discussing also the CPU, the central processing unit. We accept instruction, execute and store information within the computer. So that's the function of the input device. And also we discuss about internal memory. We have to do the RAM and the ROM. The RAM, which is the read-only memory, and the random access memory. Both of them are there in the machine to store information. But one store information temporarily and other one store information permanently. So another hardware component will do with the motherboard of the machine. The motherboard holds the various information, the various component on the machine. Is it like the mother? That what they say motherboard is like the mother of the machine, which holds all hardware components that's on the machine. It holds the CPU, the CPU, the thing, the heatsink, everything are mounted on the motherboard of the computer. So that's one of the hardware component of the machine. Okay, then now I'm going to move to the internal memory. I will finish with the internal memory. So now we're moving to the external memory of the computer. We have to do with the object disk, the DVD ROM, and the flash memory of the computer. That's the external memory of the computer. So for naming the hardware component, there are many. You got the keyboard, the mouse. So due to time, I won't really discuss everything in detail, but there are many. Yeah, so right now I'm going to move to the software, the business software aspect. We have to do it. We got a application software, we got a system software. So now we'll discuss the application software firstly. So for the application software allow non-programmer to develop their own tools. Some key example of application software you have to do with the Microsoft Office suite. You have to do with the SQL setup. These are a form of application software that were developed by programmers. Then when we're discussing the system software, okay, so now we discuss about the system software. The system software is a software that can come with a machine that is very essential. Yes, some example of system software have to do with the operating system. So for the system software, you have to do with the operating system of a machine, like Windows XP, Mac OS, and Windows 7, Windows 8. There are so many operating systems that computer can use. Now they got Linux. Those are system software. So now we'll be moving to chapter 6 of our note. So chapter 6 has to do with the business network and the telecommunication. So when we discuss telecommunication, we're going to be discussing about telecommunication in business, because right now what the course we are doing now, how to do with business. So telecommunication in business have to do with telecommunication in business have to do with the transmission of data from one point to another. So when we're referring to telecommunication in business, have to do with the transmission of data from large distances, like sending of information from here to from this region to the other region. So that's okay. The networking technology in business have a lot of improvement to the business center right now. So like the telecommunication in business, like the communication. Like now you can even do business through your phone. That's just one of the key examples of telecommunication in business. So some of the improvement that telecommunication have brought to business have to do it. You got instant transaction. Like you can use the web browser, you can even choose the internet through telephone. Those are keys importance of telecommunication in the business sector right now. So some of the importance of telecommunication in business. One, we're going to look at your time. You're going to look at transportation. You're going to look at logging. You're going to look at travel. You can live here and transfer with somebody from the United States. You can live in Liberia and transfer with somebody from Ghana through your phone. Those are some of the key importance that telecommunication have brought to the business sector right now. Okay, now let's look at the peer-to-peer file sharing aspect of the business, the importance of telecommunication in business. When as telecommunication business have made the sharing of files very easier right now. You don't have to take your document from here and hold it in your hand, hold a hard copy and carry it to somebody from Nimba or from like low file. So when you want to send a document, you can even do it through the email. You can email the person it, then definitely the person is going to receive the document and transaction can be done much easier through that means than the absence of telecommunication in business. So right now we're going to be looking at the bandwidth aspect. So the bandwidth has to do with the speed of which data is communicated, the time it's going to take to transfer your data to somebody that is not around you. It's going to be much easier than the absence of network and telecommunication in business. So for time being, I'm going to stop here. And thanks to our instructor, Mr. Mary Blama, for giving this research. And good day.